Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones. La 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 la. Okay, hey, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is the lovely Hoa and the talented Natasha. And so let's pick up right away. Today is part 2 of Little Cutie. Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest by Lyons. And we started this yesterday, and now we're just going to get into part 2. Oops. Thanks. All right, I think we're on page 7. All right, when we left off, Little Cutie had, he thought Aubrey was outgrowing him. Isn't that right? And so he was going to go on a vision quest, and he's looking for the eagle. And Jidamo tells him to go down to the lake. All right, so let's pick it up. As Little Cutie approached the weathered gray-brown chicken coop at the edge of the lawn, chicken voices erupted in protest. "Baka! Get out! Get out!" It was Wagosh again. In a flurry of feathers and a flash of orange, the little fox shot out of the door and back under the wire fence where he had tunneled in earlier that morning. He paused next to Little Cutie to catch his breath. "Hoa!" Wagosh said. "Looks like we won't be having eggs for breakfast after all." Baka Akwe stood on the inside of the fenced-in area and glared at Wagosh. "Baka! You stay away from my eggs, Wagosh!" she snapped. "Next time, Baka, I'll send you home with a black eye, Baka!" "Oh, I'm so scared, Baka Akwe. Do you really think I'm too chicken to try again tomorrow?" Baka Akwe's shiny black eyes narrowed and stared hard at the furry orange fox. "Let's get out of here, Little Cutie," Wagosh said from the corner of his mouth. "I think I may have gone too far with that last one." Soon the two friends were in the forest and out of sight of the house. Wagosh paused and said, "Gee, it's nice to see you out here. What's the occasion?" "Actually, I'm on my way down to the lake. I've got to ask Migazy something." "Migazy? Why do you want to talk to that guy?" Little Cutie felt slightly self-conscious saying it out loud, but then answered, "I'm going on a vision quest, and I need his advice." "Huh! That old blowhard doesn't know anything. Everybody thinks Migazy is so wise and spiritual and patriotic. He doesn't impress me." "What do you mean?" Little Cutie was perplexed. He had never heard anyone say such things about the eagle. "I'm telling you, he's just a figurehead. The real brain of that operation is Mamengwa." "Mamengwa? The butterfly? But I thought they were just good friends." "Oh, I'm sure they are. But Mamengwa is smart enough to realize that nobody wants to hear all that spiritual mumbo-jumbo from some old butterfly. Why do you want to go on a vision quest anyway?" "It's sort of complicated. I have to make some big decisions about my life." Little Cutie looked very seriously into Wagosh's eyes and said, "I think it may be time to leave the house." "Good!" Wagosh exclaimed. "No offense, but I'd sooner live with the chickens." "It's not like that, Wagosh. I like living there. It's just that Aubrey's outgrown me." "Really? She doesn't seem the type." Wagosh wrapped his arm around Little Cutie's shoulders and said sympathetically, "Hey, don't take it too hard, Niji. They're only human, you know." By the time they had arrived at Wagosh's hole, It was nearly noon.
You want to come in for some lunch? We were going to have eggs, but you saw how that turned out. Maybe the old lady can heat up some mac soup instead.
Thanks anyway, but I don't really eat.
You don't eat?
No, little Cutie said. He was starting to feel self-conscious again. I don't actually have teeth or any of that.
Oh, that's right,
Wagosh suddenly remembered.
Well, that's cool. You just want some coffee then?
Little Cutie said.
Just kidding. Listen, little cutie. Whatever you need for this vision quest, you just ask, okay? I could care less about the humans or Migazy, but you're my Niji. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
I know, little Cutie said with a big smile. You're my Niji too.
Okay then,
Wagosh said.
see you later.
All right, I think that's a good place to stop. Okay then. And so that was part 2 of Little Cutie, a teddy bear's vision quest. And we'll continue on tomorrow with part 3. All right, you want to add anything, sweetie?
Nah, should we go out for a walk?
Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, hey, I will see you again. Gigawa min, minawa, hawa. I wonder what's gonna happen.
Oh, you know what we forgot to do?
What's that?
Tell him the link.
Oh, you can buy this at Amazon. Just click the link.